Hi people. In today's video I am going to discuss again the thing which has gained momentum in last a few months. It is regarding the people who are opting for PR after their PhD. Now we must understand one thing, that PhD is a degree where you have got the uttermost degree or the highest possible degree. In India, we people are not having enough of say the resources or enough of jobs regarding these people. If you are from science background, if you are from math background particularly, or from science, something like that, even if you are from commerce or arts also, you are eligible for a PR, permanent residency, especially for Canada. Here the CRS score will stand around 480, 490 if you have a score of just 778. I will be putting up say connected video into this thing only, because regarding it, where you will find it much easier to start exploring for job in some country like Canada. Why I am laying stress upon this thing? Because I have made one video say 2 years back, and a tremendous response came. What do you mean by tremendous response? I do not boast upon things, because that video is being seen approximately say 4,000 times or 5,000 times. The response comes when it has been converted into calls and to clients. I must reiterate one thing, that this is not a land of competition. India. Here we are like 135 crore people. If we go to say Delhi University, say North Campus or South Campus, we will find people in plethora who have done their PhD and are in wait to get some job. I was directed by one of the head of departments of Delhi University, who told me the real story behind it, that there are no newer job in the next 10 years. They will be employed as ad hocs. They will be getting a basically low salary, and rather they are exploited by the government itself. Now, I do not find it very good to say that our government is herself exploiting the most educated people of our country. Why they are exploited? Why I must say that? It's on the back of thing that if you are a PhD at the age of 35, and after 10 years you come to know that your job is no longer over there, and though it was ad hoc, but there it was, and now is that they are not employing you, because since they have to make you confirmed or have to give you a job which is a confirmed one, so they will do one thing, that they will not employ you simply. So it is an exploitation only. That because it is being done by Delhi University or some bigger universities, so it may not be accounted for this thing, and they have got all rights to do so. So in India, if we see that the competition is so high, don't you think we should need to change the very platform of competition? If we are able to change the platform of competition, say we go to Canada, then I'm not saying that you will be welcomed like anything, and those people are just coming to the airport and seeking you, that you should be given a job. Yes, you have to work harder, you have to go there, you have to give interviews, etc. But the chances to succeed in a country like Canada are much higher than we succeed in India. So it's my duty to make you, or rather accost you, that if you are unable to get a job in India, you must try a PR for Canada, because this is a land of opportunity and people over there are looking for people educated to the tune of you people are having the degree. So you must know that if they are looking for people who are having a PhD degree and you are the people who are having that degree, why not exchange the services, experiment with it, and try to seek PR in Canada. After that, the story will be very, very different. You will not be dependent on the government. The government rather will be dependent on you, because those people are looking for you people, and those people uh, are not having enough of the PhDs. That's why it's likely that the PhD will have the maximum score, or they will be getting the maximum score in the CRS. So you must understand one thing, whatever I am telling, and it is true, and you will be gaining a lot. If you have a thought concept that you are ready to change the platform of competition, I must say you should experiment with this thing, and this experiment is for surely going to pay you much higher than your expectation. Thanks a lot. I will be looking forward to your help if you need any say clarification regarding this thing. You may call me. I'll be at your service, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. We are situated in Delhi, and we are getting clients from as far as from Kanyakumari and from America also. People who have done their doctorate over there, they are also looking for some concrete life or some life which has got stability. And after this thing, you must contemplate whatever I am telling you. It is going to pay you like anything. Thanks a lot, people. All the best.